Influences of different conductivity level. 1. Low conductivity, high insulation and electrical resistance. Good. Easy to obtain fine surface, but cutting speed is low because of narrower sparking gap. Bad. Iron resin needs frequent replacement. 2. High conductivity, low insulation and electrical resistance. Bad. Dimension increased due to the cutting wire's metal particles accumulating at upper and lower ends of workpiece. Good. Faster cutting speed, wider sparking gap, suitable for application of low accuracy requirement. Excessive conductivity. Gap voltage will go down to fail sparking process and decrease machining speed because energy current scattered over the dielectric, which could cause pitting effect as well.